Hi, thanks for sharing your plan. It's a little dicey. I'm gonna have to guess on exactly in detail what you want to fix, but I've got it open in Chief Architect Premier X13, and I've programmed it to be allowed to be edited and select home designer products of this era. Okay, so you should be okay. I'm going to go to an overview. Of course, in Home Designer Pro, you can do some of this stuff, but like this, I'm just going to delete it and draw this one over it to get rid of that. And of course, you can't do that in whatever you have, probably, unless you have Pro. Now this, you open the dialog box, and a deck, by default, is programmed to not have a ceiling or a roof over it. See how those are unchecked? If you want a deck over it, you have to say that you want a deck. Now, of course, with auto roofs on, that doesn't do anything much. Because I want a very specific roof over this. Probably what I want to do is go to plan view, open this, go to the roof tab of that wall, and tell it you want a 112 pitch over that. Now, to get a shed roof, you have to open the side walls, whether it's in suite, architectural, or pro. If you're going to auto build anything, then you have to do it this way by setting up in your walls, roof tabs, what kind of roof you want. So to get a shed roof, these side walls on the roof tab need to be set to full gable walls. So let me reiterate. This one's set to having a 112 over it, and this one are set to be gable walls. And I'm going to go over here to build roof dialog and just build the roof planes and see what happens. Let's see. See, we got a shed roof. Now, still got this going on because there's probably something in your settings here that's causing that. But in Premiere or Pro, I can just click on that roof plane and delete it. And I think there's another little bitty one here. Yeah, right there. I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to take this and parallel it to this wall over here. And then just finish it off. I think you want the hip roof over here. Maybe you don't. Maybe you want get rid of this roof plane. But you know, in what you have, probably you can't do that. So you're gonna have to live with what it can do and what it can't do. That looks funny. Probably this roof plane here goes all the way down across here, looks like. And this probably goes away. I'm just guessing. Because I haven't seen your house and that you're working on and whatnot. I'm going to delete this one and take this edge and parallel perpendicular it. Again, I'm just guessing. You didn't supply a picture, so I don't know what you're looking at. I'm going to parallel up to this edge. So pull this outside the wall. Probably how it is. I'm guessing, but see. Now this I'm going to delete. And then this I'm going to pull down. That's probably how your house is. May not be. I could be wrong, but I think so. Now, this here is this roof plane here on the left. It's cutting in too far. Pull that out so that can fill in, and then come up. Now I had to figure out the fascia top height of this one, 85. See what the other one is. Yeah, it's way off. Let me take a look at it from another angle. Probably, yeah, the geometry's wrong, obviously. this has to be a little bit further out, so it doesn't chop into this wall here. And then this has to have different geometry. It's easier to do in plan view. If you have Home Designer Pro, that is. Okay, that's not it. Well, I'm going to turn off some of these layers. Probably CAD default. Where's CAD default? Turn that off. Turn dimensions off. Doors, I don't care about. Okay. Now, it's probably yeah. There it is. So take that and parallel it up. Take this and parallel it up. Parallel, perpendicular, as the case may be. I turn the reference display on and try to make this a little bit more realistic. What's that? I'm going to go. Oh, that's just some stuff he put there. Okay. See, what's your overhang set to? 18. Okay. We'll set this to 18. Go back to the overview. Looking better, but we're not there yet, obviously. So the geometry is a little bit better. Click on that, pull it down a little bit. Click on this, pull it down some. Should be around 85, because this one's here is at 85. And it was auto built. Getting closer. Now, I don't know if this is correct or not, but I'm assuming it is. See what it says now. Okay. Still a little high. It's hard to get exact this way, but a little bit more. I'll press the control key and then pull, and then see what it says. Okay, that's reasonably close. Now, we still got this situation here, and this is because there's an automatically generated attic wall that's not automatically generated, and this one's a little bit over the line. Let's see, let me go to plan view. Yeah, this one probably needs to be over here against just the outside. Yeah, that's all right. That's better already. And then we'll go up to the attic. There's a wall missing right here. I'll pull that over. Yeah, there you go. So this is probably more difficult than you even thought it was. But that's what you paid the extra money for, the ability to really fix it and make it correct. Okay, that's probably probably need to draw a little foundation under there. Let's go down there. Let's see, where is that sucker? See, I'm looking over here at it. So it must be over here somewhere. I wonder why I can't see it. There it is. Okay. I guess I'm going to go over here to display option and turn on reference display and add fireplaces. So I can see it. Fireplace, see it. That later was turned off. I'm going to change this back to working layer set, something like that. No, not that. Plan footprints. No, that's not what I want. Default set. There we go. So now I can see the fireplace. And I'm on the 0 level. So I'm going to take this and use the wall break tool, wherever that is. There it is. Break it yonder and yonder. You know, line that up. Oh God. That's what the important usage of the reference display is for jobs like this. Down alignment. Oh, let's take a look at it. Well, that didn't fix everything. I guess I hit the tab key and then close up that hole. Well, that's a little bit better. It's not perfect, but it's more realistic, like you'd build it in the field. Anyway, I hope this helps you. Whether it does or not, make it a great day. Thanks.